Hey guys, this is Tim with Tim Stout and Associates, your trusted real estate expert for Coweta and Fayette County. Guys, I'm a top producing real estate agent south of I-20, sold over 400 homes in 2020. So I want to talk to you about the things that a new agent should do, especially in your first 30 days. Number one is you have to say yes to success, which means you have to commit to what it takes to win. Being a part-time agent, you're going to get part-time results, but if you really want to dig in and you want to do what it takes to succeed, as a residential real estate agent, I'm going to give you some tips to start. Number one, you have to learn before you earn. So you have to study, you have to learn before you earn the right to earn money. And what I'm talking about is a lot of the old sales pitches, fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it does not work when you're working with someone's largest possession and the largest sale they're probably ever going to go through in the next 10 years. So it's really important that you are educated and you do know what's going on so you can help them the way you're supposed to. So between learning before you earn, I would ask podcasts, books, videos. YouTube is a great idea how to learn. Podcasts, learning books, management books, books on leadership, books on sales. The MREA, the Millionaire Real Estate Agent, Gary Keller wrote 20 years ago, is still very relevant for today. So study those things. Ask a lot of questions. Find a broker, find a mentor, and talk to them. Ask them questions about what happens if I find a buyer. How do I show them houses? What should I say? If I find someone wanting to sell their house, what do I do? What type of marketing should I do? So the three things that I would ask you to do to get started. Number one, find a mentor or coach, someone you can ask questions to, and make sure you have allotted time through the week that you can ask questions. As you're going through the week, make really good notes of the questions you want to ask and other opinions. Even if you think you know the answer, it's always safer to ask a professional so you really know like the true way to do it. Find some scripts you like. To be successful in real estate, you're going to have to dial, you're going to have to call people, you're going to have to get comfortable being uncomfortable. And calling people on the phone is super uncomfortable. So find a script you are comfortable with that will help you get through that. And practice handling objections and script training. Practice your script so it doesn't sound like you're hi, this is Tim. I'm with Tim Stout and Associates. So you don't sound scripted like a robot and all mundane. You're able to come in and you're flowing, you're answering questions, you're handling objections because you're familiar with it and you're able to flow. You want to get to a flow state so you can be able to succeed much better with your communication skills. My biggest piece of advice to give to you guys is time block. When you're time blocking, you need to make sure you're setting aside time to learn, to educate yourself. From 9 to 9:30, I'm listening to a motivational podcast or YouTube video. From 10 to 11, I'm going to read 100 pages out of a book. You know, that type of thing. So time block for learning. And then the skills that are going to allow you to succeed in real estate is script training, objection handling, and actually talking to clients or potential clients or buyers and sellers. So you need to start working the leads. You need to set time away. Like my team from 9 to noon, we do nothing but work with leads that we're working with and currently working with, trying to bring out new business. If I was to start over as a real estate agent and I had a 30-day action plan like this, it would definitely help me succeed faster and get me on the right path. I want you to remember who you work with matters, and have a great day.